In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Notion with this quick tutorial. Whether you're a Notion newbie or a seasoned pro looking to streamline your workflow, merging cells can be a handy skill to enhance the way you organize and present information. So, let's dive in and get started. First, we need to head over to Notion and select the page where you'd like to merge cells. Open up Notion and navigate to your desired workspace. You'll find your pages listed in the sidebar on the left-hand side. Choose the page that contains the table or properties you want to work with. Taking a moment to ensure we're on the right page will set a solid foundation for the steps ahead. Next, let's locate the 6 dots that appear on the left side of the table row or column you want to modify. These 6 dots are essentially your gateway to various editing options. When you hover over the side of the cell, the dot should appear. Click on that spot, and this will bring up a menu of options for the table configurations. Once you've clicked on the 6 dots, your next move is to select Ask AI from the drop-down menu that appears. The Ask AI feature is a powerful tool within Notion that helps you with various tasks, and today it's going to assist us with merging cells. Click on it, and this will open up a search or command box where you can type in specific instructions. In the search or command box that opens, type in Merge Column. This specific command signals to Notion that you want to combine the cells in the respective columns. Make sure to type this precisely so that Notion's AI can understand and process your request correctly. After you've typed in Merge Column, the final step is to click on Accept. This button is usually present to the right of the command box and confirms your action. Once accepted, Notion will go ahead and merge the chosen cells as per your request. Double check to ensure everything looks good. And there you have it, a straightforward method to merge cells in Notion. This technique can be exceptionally beneficial for summarizing data or combining similar types of information into one cohesive view. Remember, practice is key to mastering any tool, so feel free to experiment with this feature on different pages or tables to get comfortable with the process. Enjoy exploring the depths of Notion's capabilities and happy organizing. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this tutorial was helpful, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.